The scope of work for this project was to replace 12 existing stained glass windows with new stained glass windows of the 12 apostles.
I'm Father Timothy Reid. I'm the pastor of St. Anne Catholic Church in Charlotte, North Carolina. I've been the pastor here since July of 2007. Part of my job has been to commission art, including these new stained glass windows that we've gotten from Willet Studios.
With a project like this, pretty much every moment we are going above and beyond, and it's really all about the detail.
Ultimately, one of the things that Father Reid laid at our feet was that he wanted the windows to be indistinguishable from the antique Emil Frei windows. That was a really big challenge, but it was one that we really embraced.
Willet has a lot of history. Willet has the capability to do a lot of different styles of stained glass.
I feel like the 20 years I've been studying this style, I've been preparing for this, and it was a great opportunity.
We try to make it uniquely personal to the people that are commissioning the artwork.
Because ultimately, it's not our vision that we're trying to produce, it's the client's vision.
They want us to be a part of the project, and we're invited in as much as we want to be involved in the project. That's what I love. I didn't feel like I was just a consumer.
The collaboration with the client is a really important factor of what it is that we do, and we were considering the color designs finished, and I felt like we had a really strong palette. Father Reid came back and requested that we make the border red. And it wasn't until seeing the finished product made us realize that collaborative relationship is really important and that the trust needs to go both ways.
He visited the studio probably 4 times during the process, and each time we got to know him a little bit better, and his attention to detail was so wonderful because it really allowed us all to immerse ourselves into this project.
On my first or second visit to the studio in Winona, I realized that Willet was filled with people who love what they're doing, who have a passion for what they're doing. Everyone was friendly. Everyone was professional. Everyone at Willet understood how important this project is to St. Anne's. I gave Willet a lot of criteria to work with, and I knew that was going to be a challenge. And once we got the windows in, people walked in and they're like, "Father, the company did it." So I've been gratified that the people of God here at St. Anne's Catholic Church recognize the great job that Willet has done on these windows.